Just cat it!
Hello, ready to create your first automated test against your data? Let's install CAT together. CAT Toolkit consists of 4 different tools. CAT Studio, nice Microsoft Windows app for authoring and running tests. CAT Python module, it allows you to integrate data testing into your Python code. CAT PowerShell module, allows you to manage data tests from PowerShell. And CAT CLI, a simple command line exe application for running tests. But don't worry, you don't need all of that. In this video, we'll only install CAT Studio and CAT CLI. The easiest way to install CAT Studio is to get it from Microsoft Store. It's really simple. Just open MS Store from your Windows Start menu, search for CAT Studio, and click Get. That's it. The whole process takes less than a minute. No complicated setup, no configuration needed. Just click and you're done. Plus, when you get CAT Studio from MS Store, you'll automatically receive all future updates, so you'll always have the latest version. Windows will let you know once the installation is done. CAT Studio is now installed on your system, and you can start it from the Start menu. Sometimes you cannot use Microsoft Store. For example, on Windows Server, or when your company has policies that block Microsoft Store. In that case, you can download CAT Studio directly from our Releases page. Just grab the installer and run it. It is simple, just Next, Next, Next. Sooner or later, you will want to completely automate the process of running tests. That is where CAT CLI comes in handy. The easiest way to install it is to use winget. Open Terminal and type winget install datatools.cat CLI and hit Enter. You'll need to accept the terms. Then, let winget do all the work. Winget will download it and install it. No intervention is needed from your side. The installation takes less than half a minute. If you don't have winget on your system, you can get CAT CLI installer from our Releases page. And that's it. It is really that simple. You can install CAT in less than 6 minutes, no matter whether you plan to use it from Nice app or from a command line. You now have all you need for creating your first test.
Just cat it!